Okay, so I couldn't find my little razor that I usually have to take these little stickers. I was going at it with my nail, but I can just scrape it off little by little with this. Not trying to dig too much, I just want to take the paper part off. And then after that, I'm probably going to get some alcohol and wipe it down. So I just thought I'd share, so I know this is always a bit tricky. And I don't feel like going out to the store and buy some of that Gooby Gone or any of that stuff, so I'm just using whatever I have. I just sprayed it with alcohol, so I think it's pretty much almost all gone as far as the sticky part goes. I also brought another blade out to see if that works. So it's looking super cute. I'm loving it. This is 2 coats already. I think I'm gonna go for a 3rd coat. And I don't think I'm gonna go that low here since the dirt's probably gonna be about here. So you're really not gonna see this much, but I think up to this line is where I'm gonna spray paint, and that's it. Okay, so I'm super pleased. This is the 4th coat, and when I started, I'm already on my 2nd spray here, so it feels like it took quite a bit, but the other spray was really sputtering, and so I think I got a dud with that can, and it did feel like it finished right away, and it didn't feel as heavy as this one. So just my advice to you is when you're picking out spray paints, make sure that the cap is on. The other one didn't have the little protective little cap that usually goes here, and I really hadn't noticed. I was just trying to hurry up at Home Depot, just get what I need. So yeah, but so this is the color metallic aged copper, and super pretty. I love it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it set actually, and I'll probably come the following day and set it on the cinder block in the location it's going to be at and start planting. So I will piece that together with this video. Stay tuned.